No people is in the laundry. Here is another very fail, not a good luck. Oh no. And here we are in the car park of the building 60 to 70. Here is a boom interesting. And the doors are still open. Here is another skill. Here is a very awesome run. Woo waves. There's not a very boom interesting. The traffic light. This is the car park of the buildings 58 of Kansas City and 15 of this place. Here is a car park. Here is the door for the car park, and let's close the door for car park. Let's continue. Here we are on the plaza, on the square. Oh, Wendy Wolf Square. On Wendy Wolf is the square. Here is amazing. Here is a boom interesting. Here is another fun, not a very. Here is amazing. Woo, woo.